Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're going to do today is we're going to make a cup holder cell phone bracket. And being that I've got the Studebaker all roadworthy and been going to some car shows and all that, you know, it's nice to kind of have a little hands-free device that will hold my phone so I'm not hanging it around my ear and all that, and I can just do speakerphone and we can get everything covered that way. So anyway, this is going to be how I accomplish that. So let's check it out. Well, these are the parts that I used. I used a 2-inch coupling. On this coupling, I ran it through the lathe just to shave just a little bit off. It fit my cup holder on my console just a little snug, so what I opted to do is just shave a little off on the outside. I got one of these caps and I've drilled 2 holes in it to receive my brackets. This was a camera holder, and then I had a cell phone bracket option that I had for it, and you can turn your phone up and down, or you can turn it sideways, however you want it. Then what I did is I bought some of these little brackets, these little 90-degree brackets, and then what I did is I re-drilled the holes and shortened those ears just a little bit. By doing that, I took the original suction cup, took it off, and I ran the bolt through there. And that way I'm going to be able to bolt this on top of. Well, this is our next step, and I bolted the little tabs to the top of this plastic pipe cap. And what I'll do next is I drilled this hole a little larger because the carriage head bolt, you know, has a larger head, and that allows it to be a little more flush. Well, we've got a good coat of black paint on here and it looks pretty good. And so what I'm going to do now is put the bracket on there. So anyway, there we go. Let's go put it in the car and see how it looks. Alright, well here we are, completed bracket, and has a lot of adjustments. You know, we can do a lot of different things, different angles. Siri, where's the nearest restaurant?
Here's what I found.
Alright, there you go. If you're out on the road, you can find any place you need now. Well, anyway guys, hope you find that useful, and I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. So as always, y'all have a great week. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.